It's all about strengthening Celtic connections today as we welcome 23 tourism companies from the island of Ireland to Glasgow. We welcome hotels, visitor attractions, regional organisations, and they are meeting influential British coach and tour operators.
This is probably one of the best workshops that I've attended. Obviously, with the increase in bed stock in the whole city, we now have 16 hotels in Derry. So it's really important that we are getting out and making these connections with all of these coach and group operators, and many of them are all now also have an FIT business.
I'm delighted to be here in Glasgow at Celtic Connections. This is my first year attending, and today has been a great success. I've met some old colleagues and loads of new contacts, which has been great for us. We're looking at diversifying our business mix, and we've made some really interesting contacts for 2026 and 2027.